for less. You came before a show, just know you watching the best. On the biggest stage, under bright lights, the #1 attraction playing all night. It's her time, yeah, here we go. Boom, boom, yeah, we kicking down the door. Are you ready? Are you ready for more? It's showtime. Showtime. Come on, yeah, come on, it's showtime. It's showtime. Yeah, come on, yeah, it's showtime.
I was lost on a road, headed nowhere without you.
Hi, ex. Hello, asawa ko. Finally, after 11 years, we made it. I'm so grateful kay Papa God that He finally grants us and lead us together dito sa araw na to sa harap ng Diyos at samahan natin sa buhay.
Fog started drifting away.
Past 11 years, madami na kayong naranasan bilang buhay mag-asawa. Dami na kayong napatunayan. Marami na kayong mga nasubukan. Pero isa lang, of course, alam natin, higit pa, napatunayan na yung pagmamahalan, pag-iibigan. Marami na kayong nasimulan na sa inyong buhay mag-asawa, na pagpapatuloy ninyo for the very last, until the very last breath of your lives.
Now my heart's feeling so.
To my ex-girlfriend, una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa pong may kapalat. Talagang gumawa siya ng paraan para mag-alala mo ako. Mag-alala kita. Araw-araw, minumuno ito, wala akong pinapalagpas na oras para iparamdam sa iyo na mahal kita.
Half asleep, now I see you in every dream.
Congratulations, anak. This is it. After, ayoko.
I feel so awake again. I believe in love again. Lord have mercy, I can't breathe now that you stand next to me. You make me feel awake again. If the world falls apart.
Ari, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Gladys na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
We will hold on to love. And if the world falls apart,
Salamat sa iyo, Ma, napagtiisan mo yung ugali ko. Sabahin natin hinarap ang mga pagsubok na dumating sa atin. Salamat sa lahat ng mga binigay mo sa pamilya natin.
Lagi mong sinasabi na hindi mo deserve yung mga bagay na binibigay ko sa'yo. Pero I disagree. Deserve mo lahat ng meron ka ngayon. You deserve the best, bro. You're with at my worst, so you also deserve me at my best.
I can't breathe now that you stand next to me. You make me feel awake.
Ma, pinapangako ko sa iyo, ipagpapatuloy ko at mas lalo ko kang mamahalin kayo ni Chloe, Lavin at Gabino natin.
I never thought na dadating ang araw na to. We've been through ups and downs, pero thank you because never kang sumuko. At ni minsan, hindi sumagi sa isip mo sumuko.
We're dreaming and we'll never stop believing. Wanna ever have this feeling all for you. Oh, I do.
Pinaka maganda kong kapatid. Pinakamacho kong kaibigan. Yes! Uy!
Mikay! Yes, you are. Ito, Kisha. Yung totoo, gaya pa mukha nagulat. Take care of your family and be strong. Congratulations. Love you. Love you too. Gab, gab, gab! Okay! Sepo din, para lagi mong maalala na oras-oras mo ko mamahalin. Hope you like it. I love you. Ay! Ah! Buti na lang! Wala yung oras-oras.
It's like a sunrise at a sea. Oh, when I wake you up.
You've been there through the darkest times of my life. Sa mga panahong suong-suo na ako, hindi mo ko pinabayaan at pilit mo kong itinatayo. And now that I am starting to build myself again, andyan ka pa din sa tabi ko.
Ang buhay mag-asawa ay sagrado. Ang Panginoon ang nagtakda nito. So, for that, dahil wala namang forever, ang sumpaan ninyo, till death do you part. Ang forever natin si Lord.
Thank you sa pagiging sweet, caring, and understanding. Thank you for being loyal and faithful. Like legit. Kaya kong sabihin kahit kanino, 100% confident na itong lalaking to, never akong niloko at never akong nagloko.
Wow. Mahal na mahal kita, ma. Sa hirap, sa sarap, at sa ligaya. Excited na ako sa magiging future natin bilang maging mag-asawa. Mahal na mahal kita.
I love you so much and hinanapan kita and ang pagsasama natin kahit saan, kahit kailan, kahit kanino. I'm ready. I'm ready to take this journey with you along with our kids and most especially with God's blessing. I love you, my husband. Love. God is love. T. Makalinaw.
Wanna dance like no one's watching.